good day once again. Trust we are doing good and we are seeing the effects all our tools have been using. We want to quickly pick out some complex logo from this logo that you are seeing on the screen. So I will also leave it for you to try and lay your hands on any one of them and see how best you can do them. So we shall be doing three for you to really give you some effects. I draw out my key, which is my perfect square. Then I take my shape tool to round it, but in a very little way. My fountain fill color, that is F11, from blue to green. Let me use light green, which is a lemon. Then I pick radial. Do you see? Custom. So let that blue be deep. You see, if that is what you want, try to raise it up a little bit for you to really know how good it is. Click OK. If you are okay with the way it looks like, then you are free to go. If not, adjust it. Let it radiate like this and see. If you are okay with this, you are good to go. Just select the way you will really want it. If you want your green to be very okay, so we adjust from there, and that is how we have our background design. Then letter N in capital letter, text, change case to title case. Then we have this font. Do you see? If you can get it right here, there where you are, good. And if you cannot get it, so I've told us earlier on that we can go to the nearest computer engineering place. They will help you to do or to install some fonts on your system. So this is it. What am I going to do? Power clip inside. Edit your content and place it very well. If you are okay with the placement, you see, if you are okay with the placement, finish editing, then you are free to go. That is our number one. Very simple. This is what I said, that your creativity will bring out the best in you. I'll be using my Bezier tool for this one. Hold your shift to get a perfect line shape. Do we see now? Very good. I plus and I mirror to the right, because it's almost the same thing that I want to use. But I will use my shape tool to make sure they meet at the same top. Do you get it? Then I use this one to drag it up to give me this. Select the two together and weld, so it becomes one object that you can easily move. You will see, what am I doing? I'm increasing the border line. Then I draw a perfect yellow line here. I give it also another color. Do you see? If you are okay with it, you are good to go. And if this line did not meet together, let's join them together. Just to make sure they close at the edge. Do you see now? If you don't zoom out, you will not see the edge. You will think it is close, but no, it is not close. So just try to use your shape tool. You are free to shape anything you can really shape. And I also have my perfect circle. This is my perfect circle. I'll be keeping another version of it because I want to use it to control it, and picking out that circle. Then you convert it to curve. We are going to shape. Before you convert to curve, so we convert it to your arc shape. Yes, we are using this arc shape. Then you convert it to, do you see? it brings the edge closer to each other. Wow. Brings the edge closer to each other. So if you are okay with the way the mouth opens, then give it a very big outline and give it a yellow. If it's not okay, you can do like this. It's too much. Plus it, give it a green. Then move your green, let it enter from the open one. They will say, let it enter from the open one. Let it enter from the open one. This is where we open it, so it will enter from there. Duplicate it again and give it blue. But this blue, we are going to rotate it. Rotate, let it go. Do we see something like this? Very simple. So that it enters from the open one and have as if it's entering another one from top. Yes. Do you see now? Until you get what you really want, how close you want them to be. But don't deform your circle. So still use, and we are going to shape this our circle back because the gap is too much. Gap is too much. Convert it to this line. The same thing with this. If you want it in an open gap, no problem. You see? So just try to shape it and you get your good answer to it. Do you see? So then select everything together and group them. So try to lay your hands. Look for any other one that you can easily do and you will get it by yourself. Let's look at these solutions. I've taught us this one when we are doing our banner, how you can have multiple colors. Very simple. Do you see? Let's just use this area, slant it to be italic. What happened? Take my text to give this, they shape that 0. You see? So let's shape this something out. It's very simple. Just take it. I told you that I love to work with my Bezier tool. It gives me my perfect shape. You too can choose any tools of your choice that you know you are good to use. Plus it and increase it. Do we see now? Try to do your own. F12 to increase the border. See, it's not yet perfect. You are going to curve it to give you a perfect one. You are going to curve it to give you a perfect one. Do you see? The same thing with this. You see the way I'm curving it out. So it can give me what I really want. Then you curve this one out again. By the time you take your own time, you will see that it's very, very simple. The way you can direct your hand, the way you can move your hand, that you can do. So all those things, try as much as possible to lay your hand on them and see the wonders you can really do on each one of them. If all using your shape tool to shape any shape you really want to do.